You enjoy that view? Yeah, me too. It's one of my favorite spots in the world. Hi, I'm Don. This is my property that used to be my parents' summer cottage that my wife and I inherited from them a few years back. Unfortunately, we had to tear down the cottage, but I still like to come down here for the view and for the privacy. And to have a build-a-bench that we can actually sit here and enjoy that and have an evening, maybe a beverage. It's just what we love to do. Anyway, hope you enjoy this build, and I'll see you at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed that video. It was rather quick. It's an easy build. Anyone could build quite easily with minimum tools and minimal materials. I built it, like I said, from recycled materials that came from the cottage that were on this property. So although the bench may look very rough and rustic, it has significance to me as well. Don't know if you can hear that, but there's a woodpecker tapping his approval over there and telling me to wind this up. Anyway, this is Don. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next one.